Bonjour, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is about what's in my bag, what's in the bag of a Parisian. In Paris, it's not about the things, it's about the bag and the feeling they carry with it. First, my bag. This one has been with me all day long here in Paris through morning walk, late diners, unexpected kisses, and even mid-trends. This one is just perfect for every day and is my little companion for this spring in Paris. This is the Song bag by SONGMONT in medium size. If you don't know SONGMONT, SONGMONT is an handbag brand founded in 2013 that make high quality bags with a unique Eastern culture aesthetic. They use premium leather, and I love the modern edge and the femininity of the brand. This is a basket-inspired shaped bag made of full grain leather with a smooth and grain texture finish. Inside of the bag that closes with a magnetic closure and a secure clip hardware, you will find one big compartment, a detachable little pouch you can also securely clip over the bag. What fits inside? All my daily essentials you will see along the video, but as you can see, this bag is roomy enough and you can store a lot of different things. The bags come with two top handle and removable detachable strap. You can wear the bag in different ways, on the hand, on the shoulder, crossbody. I love the versatility of the Song, but like many SONGMONT bags, the bag is super versatile and very easy to wear. I love to add a little charm to my bags, and this is also one of the biggest handbag trend of 2025. For this one, I add the Daisy leather charm, also made of full grain leather by SONGMONT. I love the look of this bag. This is the perfect spring handbag. The Song bag comes in many different colors, but for this spring, I decided to go for the red. I just love this beautiful red color. I really wanted a red handbag for the spring, and I found it so easy and chic to style it for spring. If you love the Song bag like me, do not forget to check below the video. I do have an exclusive promo code for you. And now let's see what fits inside of this beautiful handbag and what a Parisian store inside of a bag. So let's start first with the daily essentials. Like many women in this world, I do store all my essentials in my bag. So first, I store my little cards in this detachable pouch from SONGMONT. I love this one. This is a detachable little pouch made of full grain leather. You can also attach securely this little pouch. And of course, you will find my keys for sure, my phone, of course. The second things that are inside of my bag are what I call the effortless beauty things. Like many Parisian, I probably do store half of my beauty treatments or my beauty room inside of my bag. I use this little pouch from Suzanne, and inside you will find all my beauty essentials of the day. I never left the house without any hand cream. This one is from Amazon. This is a small natural beauty boutique here in France and in Paris. They are very well known here in Paris. This one is made of avocado and hyaluronic acid. I love the compact mini size of this one. It's super compact. Second, these are such beauty essentials for French women and Parisian. I do have many lip balm. If you follow me and if you know me, I never leave the house without any lip balm. I am such a lipstick girl. So currently I am wearing for spring, the first one I really love is this one, Embryolisse. They just launched this collection of lip balm. This one is so nice. This is a comfort lip balm. I love also the color. This is a beautiful wearable everyday red. It's a beautiful red. I love the texture, and it's super comfortable. Another one I really appreciate is the Rouge Lip Balm by Jeanne Damas, Les Filles en Rouge. I just bought this one and something I love this one. I love the texture. This is a beautiful also red. But because it's a lip balm, it's a little bit more natural and transparent. It's very, very wearable for every day. Another lip balm, but this one is for my super dry lips. I have very, very dry lips, and this one is from NYX. So if you are not French or if you don't know NYX, NYX is also one of the biggest beauty brands here in France. I love to have a few perfumes in my bag, and something I love to perfume myself over the day. So right now I am currently wearing a little perfume from Nina Ricci. This one is Love in Paris. I love this one. It's such a beautiful fragrance for spring. It's very refreshing. You do have banana, peony, rose. I love this one. I almost forget, but I do have also a small bottle of Mr. It's not my favorite one. This is the new and latest Mr. But I do enjoy this one for spring, actually. Mainly, I carry lip balm and perfume. This is the main thing I love to carry inside of my bag. The next thing that are inside of my bag are definitely, I will say, the little lifestyle things. So in terms of lifestyle, I love to carry a book. I love to read when I have time, and usually I love to have a book inside of my bag. Next, some sunglasses. If you're a Parisian, you always wear sunglasses, even if there is no sun here in Paris. I think it's a question of style. I love to wear sunglasses. I love to carry a little silk scarf. It's very, very practical. Can protect also yourself from the rain. Very practical here in Paris. Or maybe sometimes you just want to dress up or you want to look more chic. You can use the scarf to look a little bit more dressed up. So I love to carry a silk scarf. This one is from Kenzo. I bought this one a few years ago and I love this one. The next little luxuries, these are gummies. I love gummies. I have a thing for gummies. I don't know why. Not chewing gum, but gummies. I don't find chewing gum super elegant, so usually I avoid chewing gum. But I love small gummies like that. Even when I was living in the States, I used to buy a lot of gummies from Whole Foods. And I'm doing exactly the same thing here in France. So these are from Amazon, another very natural boutique. It's like the Whole Foods here, but in Paris. We have Amazon, you have Whole Foods. And the last thing, which has such a sentimental value for me, these are my little pill box. I love to have pill box inside of my bag because usually I do take a lot of natural supplements, beauty supplements. It's also very Parisian. I mean, my mother used to take supplements and I love to do that. And usually when you take beauty supplements, you have to take them all day long. So I love to have this little pill box so I can track everything and I can take my beauty supplements on time. And this one is such a precious thing for me because this one is from my grandma. She passed away a few years ago, and before she gave me that. So this is such a beautiful pill box. It's very French. I don't know where she got this one. I don't know where she bought this one actually. I don't know at all. I think it has a very vintagey vibe. I have another one also from my grandma, but it's a bigger one, so I cannot carry this one. This one is super practical. I can carry this one in my bag actually. Every time I carry this one in my bag, it really reminds me of my French grandma. And I think it's like porte-bonheur in French. It's like a lucky charm. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little video about what's in my bag. Let me know what you think about this video if you want to see more what's in my bag episodes. So many of you also love this type of video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to check all my handbags video, and don't forget also to check below the video for this beautiful handbag by SONGMONT. I love this one. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me styling and wearing this bag for spring. I love this one. I love the color. It's a great bag and a great handbag brand. Bye bye.